You have to give it to him. Still racing fast, still being one of the top guys, and this weekend exactly going 1-1-1 for 105 GP wins and 200 wins overall. Jeffery Herlings is definitely one of the best racers ever. You got to say, I personally, I wish he'd come over here and raced. I know at this point he probably is never going to, or if he does, it's going to be the, what do you call it, the retirement tour, basically. But we had the little glimpse, was it 4 or 5 years ago with him and Tomac racing, and it would have been so cool to have Jeffrey Hurlings come over here and racing Tomac and Roxon and Webb and everybody in their prime. But obviously things don't work out that well, and he's probably pretty happy racing over in Europe and around the world and being where he's used to, or the team he's used to, instead of learning something completely new. But as a fan, you got to say this is incredible. And I know a lot of people are going to sit there and say, "Oh, he spent so much time in MX2 that he blah blah blah." Who cares? Like, even at the point at MX2, he was winning. He was winning there. He's winning at MXGP, and you got to say, yeah, he is kind of injury prone. Like, he's last few years have been pretty bad for him with the heel and the ankle and the foot, like all the injuries he's gotten. But he's still one of the best talents ever, and one of my favorites. You gotta say, like, just incredible racer, incredible speed, and to be who he is and what he is, and still doing it and racing against Geiser and all the the big name people. You gotta say, I think it's perfect. I think he's incredible. Not perfect, but nobody is. But I don't know. You guys tell me in the comments below. Do you watch MXGP? Are you a fan of Jeffrey Hurlings? Do you fall on the side of he spent too long in MX2? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.